Hey everybody, Jeremy here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to check your tire pressure. Proper tire inflation can affect everything from the longevity of your tires to your fuel economy, so it's an important thing to check on a monthly basis. It's also a good idea to check when temperatures have fluctuated significantly, before road trips, or anytime your vehicle is loaded down more than usual. Your vehicle's manufacturer will recommend an ideal tire pressure for your vehicle, which you can usually find on the label on the driver's door or door jamb or in your owner's manual. If you've replaced your tires at any point with aftermarket tires, the recommended pressure can be found on the tires themselves. The best time to check pressure is when your vehicle hasn't been driven for at least 3 hours. The only thing you'll need is a tire pressure gauge, and there are 3 basic types to choose from: the pencil type, the dial type, and the digital. You can keep a gauge in your glove box for easy access. Some of these gauges come with a check valve or way to release air from the tire, which is important if the tire happens to have too much air pressure. Whichever you choose, you'll start by turning the tire's valve stem cap counterclockwise to remove it. Then press the opening on your gauge onto the valve stem until the hissing stops, making sure that it stays straight. The pencil type will reveal a number as the air in your tire causes it to extend. The dial or digital gauge will show you a number on its display. Compare the reading on the gauge to the recommended pressure found in your owner's manual, driver's door, or on the tire. If you find your pressure is low, most convenience stores or gas stations will have compressed air available. You might even take your gauge with you next time you purchase fuel so that you're checking tire pressure at a place where you can add air if needed. Be careful if you're using a truck stop airline. They have much higher pressure and it's possible to overinflate your tire. There are also portable tire inflators available that you can store in your vehicle or garage. If you find your pressure is high, use the feature on your gauge to release air if your gauge has one. Or you can use a small flathead screwdriver to depress the metal pin at the center of the valve stem. Just be careful not to bend it. Air will begin to release as you press in on the pin. Keep an eye on the pressure to ensure the proper amount has been let out. Once you've checked and adjusted all 4 tires plus your spare tire, your work is done. Spare tires usually require 60 psi, so make sure you have a gauge that can read at least that high. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.